everything I own is in this 3 bags. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about everything that's in there and how in the planet I fit it in here. I am Andrea Valeria and I am a full-time traveler and vlogger. Since I travel full-time, I have to make the decision whether I want to have a storage unit somewhere and have all the things that I own there so that I can then travel with only a few things, or what I do is that I basically travel with everything I own. So if it doesn't fit in these 3 bags, I don't own it. I do it like that because I am a minimalist, and a minimalist means that you really focus on having only the things that you absolutely need. I travel with 2 hard-shelled bags. One is a carry-on and one is one of those big ones that they allow in the airplane for, you know, like 23 kilograms. And then I have a backpack. So since I move like every 3 to 6 months, I have the moving thing down. I grab all of the things that I own and then I start folding and organizing. And my secret is packing cubes. If you don't already own packing cubes, you have to. They are literally life-changing. I say that they are like drawers for your bags because whenever you travel somewhere, you get to a hotel, you open them up and you take out exactly what you need and you close it and then you put it back in your bag and it's not a mess. So buy packing cubes, do yourself a favor. The main packing cubes that I use come in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, and they are Herschel brand. They are great quality, so if you want to spend a little bit in good packing cubes, I recommend those. I'll have the link below so that you can go click and buy it. But if you do not want to spend money in packing cubes, here is a life hack. You know when you buy bedding, like new sheets, and they come in the plastic clear bag with a zipper? I use some of those as my packing cubes because they're free and I stole them from my mom. So another thing that I always travel with is a wet dry pack. In the little pack thing that I bought with my Herschel packing cubes, one of those came in the pack. I said pack so many times. If you're traveling to like the beach and you have a wet swimsuit, then you can put it in there. And every time I travel, I have that with me. And what I do is that I put my dirty clothes in there. Most of my clothes is solid colors. That way I can wear it a lot of times and people wouldn't really notice that I'm wearing the same thing, and I can mix and match a lot. So solid colored clothes, best thing to do if you're trying to be a minimalist. The shoes that you are seeing right here are all the shoes that I own. That's it. So shoes occupy a lot of space in your bag. So if you want to have 82 pairs of boots and 700 different sandals, it's going to be hard for you to move around. Shoes is one of the first things that you should think of downsizing in because they occupy a lot of space and they're heavy. So yeah, have less shoes. My camera bag has also been a lifesaver for me because it has a lot of compartments. It has a compartment where your camera goes, then one for your lens. It even has little pockets for your SD cards and cables and everything. So here it is. I also always have a copy of my book because you never know when someone is going to want to read it or when you're going to want a photo with your own book. So other random things that I own and I always travel with, this jumping rope. That way I have no excuses when it comes to working out. It takes absolutely no space. I also have a harmonica that I'm still trying to figure out how to play. I'm watching YouTube tutorials, so if anyone knows some good YouTube tutorials to learn that, please let me know because I still suck at it. It's the most portable instrument I could find. This is another thing I travel with. It's a zucchini spiralizer to make zucchini noodles. It's super handy and small. Traveling can get really crazy, and if you do not keep routines and keep doing all the things that you would do in a more regular life, then you might go crazy and you might burn out and you might want to stop traveling. So since I don't want to stop traveling anytime soon and I want to make it really sustainable, I do things like carry my own zucchini spiralizer everywhere. If you want to check out any of these things that I've been talking about, I'm going to put links in the description. That way you can check them out and buy them. And they are affiliate links. That means that I get a small commission if you buy them, but you don't pay more or anything. So I mean, win-win. If you have more questions about packing or how I do this whole moving thing, please let me know in the comments. I am sure that there are things that you wanted to know that maybe I didn't cover, because to me they're so obvious, but to you, you might be like, wait, how does that work? So let me know in the comments. And if this video was helpful to you, it might be helpful to someone else. So make sure that you share it with them, and make sure that you tell me if there's anything else that you would like to see, because I will absolutely share all my secrets. Thank you for being here and being part of the Overdose in Travel. I will see you next time.